We'll get to the wrapping in just one moment, but if you want to see a comparison between an unwrapped brisket and a wrapped brisket, go ahead and click the card in the upper right hand corner and you can see my video on that comparison. So this larger brisket reached its stall around 160, right at 160 degrees. So now I've taken it out, it's time to wrap. But I do want to make a quick note here. You might notice that a lot of people will trim down this larger piece of fat. This one didn't have that big of one, and that's my dad's favorite part. So we usually don't trim off the fat because that's the way he likes it. But you'll see a lot of people preferring to trim that, and you can definitely do that, and it might help the brisket cook a bit faster too. When I'm doing the butcher paper here, I got one smaller piece that I'm wrapping at an angle, then one longer piece. Once you've got your first smaller piece of butcher paper wrapped, you can go ahead and start with the larger piece. So I'm going to go with fat side up to start with, because that will leave me with the fat side up at the end, as I have 3 widths of my brisket about. So I bring that first piece up. Oh, we've got pieces of the table falling apart here. Bring in and fold here. I'm going to lift it up. Now I can get kind of an angle going in here, as you'll see. Get one angle there, and get another angle going in here. Tuck all these in and start rolling. And now I've got the fat side up. On the bottom is that other piece that is going to make sure all the juices stay within the whole wrap, other than what evaporates out. And as you can see, no leakage. This brisket is ready to go back on the smoker.